70,000 naira or face jail term. Federal government tells private employers. Federal government has warned private sector employers sternly. Pay your workers at least 70,000 naira or face potential jail term. This directive comes as part of the government's efforts to address Nigerian workers' current economic challenges. Alhaji Ismaila Abubakar, Permanent Secretary of the Federal Ministry of Labour and Employment, emphasized that the new minimum wage is now law. At a recent meeting of private employment agencies in Lagos, he stated, "No Nigerian worker, whether in government or private employment, should be paid less than the minimum wage." The government is particularly focused on agencies recruiting for the private sector, urging them to make the 70,000 naira minimum wage a non-negotiable part of any contract with their clients. Abubakar warned that paying below this amount is now considered a punishable crime, demonstrating the government's unwavering commitment to enforcing the new minimum wage. However, some questions remain. Dr. Olufemi Ogunlowo, president of the Employers Association for Private Employment Agencies of Nigeria, has asked whether the 70,000 naira minimum wage is meant to be gross or net pay. He stressed the importance of addressing any ambiguities in the new Minimum Wage Act. The Nigerian Labour Congress is backing this move, with the Lagos State Chairperson Fumilayo Shesi stating that even 70,000 naira may not be enough, given the current economic realities. She promised strict enforcement of the minimum wage in Lagos State. Stay tuned for further updates at NaijaNews TV.